is really exciting because I'm finally doing a hair tutorial. So I found a new way to curl my hair and I've been loving it. Now of course right now I'm wearing hair extensions. They're from Irresistible Me. I often get questions on my hair extensions if I recommend them, and I for sure recommend them. I've been wearing mine since January. I've bleached my extensions. I've toned them 3 different times, which you're not really supposed to. You know, bleach and tone extension. I mean, you can tone extensions, but you're not really supposed to bleach them. And my extensions still look fabulous. They're super shiny, super soft. They really don't shed. Like I can go like this. The hair doesn't shed. So yes, for sure I recommend the extensions. But I'm really happy today because I am partnering with Irresistible Me. They sent me the 8-in-1 Saphire, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, curling wand set. So I've never owned a set like this before, so I was so excited to get this. So basically you have, you know, one curling wand, but you can change the wands, you know what I mean? So this is super lightweight. It's great for traveling. As for a heat setting, it goes up to 450, which is pretty high. Personally, I don't use that because I'm trying to keep my hair on my head. But yeah, this is a really great curling iron. So this is the one I am using today. It's a very different one. I've never seen a one like this because it's thinner at the bottom and thicker at the top. But as I said, it comes with 8 different wands. Now usually I use a wand like this to curl my hair. It's the traditional, you know, barrel, 2-inch barrel. So this is really good to do those Victoria's Secret kind of curls. Then this is a smaller version of that one. This is a 1-inch. And then it comes with a very funky one. Now I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm definitely excited to. And then you get a super small one like this. I think I will try this maybe with my short hair. I think this could be nice. And then it comes with a bigger version of that one. So here you go. Then you get 2 more. So you get a one like this, which is similar to the one I'm using, but it's the opposite. So this one is thicker at the bottom, thinner at the top, and just comes with a thinner version. So here you go. So you can definitely create all different kind of curls in the world. Yeah, I'm super happy because it made me experiment with my hair. You know, this is such a different, it's a different look for me, and I really like it. Also, I really like that it comes with a twisty cord like this, so it doesn't get all tangled. The barrel is a tourmaline barrel, which is great for the hair. If you want to see how I get these curls and how I've been styling my hair recently, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so usually I prefer to just let my hair air dry first. I think it's better for your hair, and also I just prefer to curl my hair when it's air dried. But today I let my hair air dry for the most part, but then I went with the blow dryer just a little bit. So when my hair is wet after my shower, I use this. It's a leave-in treatment, but it's also a heat protectant. So it's the Kerastase Nutritive Nectar Thermique. It makes my hair really soft, and also it protects my hair from the heat. So I prefer to clip my extensions as I curl each layer of my hair. It's just easier for me. I'll take my first layer. This is a 3-clip weft. Now for the curling portion, I like to keep my heat setting not too high. I usually do, now it's at 370. I prefer like 350. And then this is the one I'm going to be using today. Now I don't know what magic this does, but it curls my hair in a way that, like, I've never had curls like this before. What I like to do is when I curl, I will take a little bit of my own hair and the hair extensions. I usually like try to twist the hair so it all gets curled, and then I don't hold my curling iron for too long because my hair curls pretty easily, and also I don't want to use too much heat on my hair. So usually I will like loosen the curl a little bit, and then I just go like this. This is the curl. It's more of a wave. It's a wavy curl. I don't know what kind of curl this is, but it's really pretty. And then, I mean, if you want really tight curls and your hair doesn't really hold a curl, you could like hold your curl like that, but I usually let mine go because I like to brush out my curls anyways. And I prefer to just always curl my hair away from my face. Now you see, this is, usually I would like start over when this happens. Yeah, sometimes it just helps to like twist the hair. Anyways, and then this little piece right here, usually I will try to curl it, but at the same time, I mean, don't want to put too much heat on that. Now, of course, I will do the same thing on the other side. Now, usually when I curl my hair extensions once, I don't need to curl them every time I do my hair. Look at these little curls. They're really, really nice. Okay, now I will take my biggest weft. This is a volume weft. Now you can purchase these individually, but it comes in the set that I have. This one has 4 clips, but this is like really thick. Now I'm so happy I have this because I have, you know, my hair is short, but I have a lot of hair, and so this just makes hair extensions blend so much nicer for me. And personally, when I clip my extensions, I don't tease my hair. I'm trying not to like damage my hair too much, so I don't tease the hair, and my extensions stay in place very, very well. So again, just curl like this. Now here it gets a little easier because my hair is a bit longer, so it doesn't my short little hairs don't pop out as much. We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Okay, now we are getting to the top section, which is exciting. Oh, by the way, this is what the hair extensions look like when they're just air dried. A nice texture to it, but it's super like silky still. So I like that. It's not just like pin straight. I'll just put my bangs on the side for now. Okay, so for the top, I'm not gonna do super tight little curls. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's what. This is one side. Of course, it's not done. I have to brush out the curls, but oh my gosh, this looks so cute already. Okay, finally I have this little section left to do. Now sometimes I start more at the root. I don't think I don't know, we'll see how I like it today. I try not to start too high, but then if I start the curls too low, then I feel like I'm lacking volume, but I feel like today it's gonna look good. So then I will grab this small little section. Now this, I will leave the iron on for like 2 seconds. Okay, and then I don't want this piece to be too curly. Knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling. Okay, so I am done. So I will let the hair just cool for a little bit, and now it's the time that I'll, you know, go look in the mirror just to see how the back looks, make sure my real hair is blended with the extensions, and then if there's some little parts I want to redo, I will do that. I don't know what the back looks like yet, so don't judge. I just took a little break from filming because I got really hungry and I wanted to eat. So I've been brushing out my curls with my fingers. As the time goes, you know, my hair definitely gets less curly, which is, you know, what I want. I like the curls, but I just want more of a kind of messy undone look. Since my hair is freshly washed, I just feel like sometimes I lack a little bit of volume at the root, so I will add a texturizing spray. You could also use hairspray, but I try not to use hairspray so much on my ends, on my lengths as much anymore. Now I used to, before I used to love hairspray, but you know, hairspray can dry out the hair a little bit, so I try not to use too much. So I will just, you know, create some volume with that texturizing spray. Like that, and then I will add just a little bit. This one, by the way, is from Matrix. I've had this for a while. I really like it. Okay, and then I don't feel like this is very necessary today since I, you know, just washed the hair extensions and they're really shiny right now, and also my hair is doing quite good right now. But I will add, this is from Chi. It's the Color Nurture Dry UV Protecting Oil. I've used this before in a video. I really like it, and also It smells so good. Also, I like the spray. I like how it sprays. It smells really, it smells really, really good. And this makes the hair look really, really shiny. So this is what the hair looks like. I really, really like it. Now this hairstyle makes me feel fabulous. Actually, most of the time, this is how I wear my hair, like all at the back or on one shoulder, you know, like this. But yeah, let me know what you think about these girls. I mean, it's definitely a little wild, you know, but I like it. I feel like this is the perfect hairstyle for spring, summer. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. All the products that I use will be listed down below. I will also leave the exact hair extensions I'm wearing right now, but I will also leave the video where I show you how I bleached and toned the hair extensions to match my hair. And of course, I will leave the curling iron set down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you do. I do plenty of hair videos. I do fashion hauls, makeup tutorials, all of that. So if you want to subscribe, definitely do down below. And if you want to like this video as well and follow me on Instagram, it's @Zadori. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!